Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 18th of February 2024 and I'm going to be going over the results of week 8's testing for SPY strategy, which is the days open versus previous days close strategy. So let's get into it immediately. On the 12th of February, we can see that the open was at 501.17. We had a sell signal which gave us a profit of $407.93, bringing our cumulative portfolio return to 7.651%. And our alpha to 2.611%. Next, on the 13th, we had the open at 494.53. We had a sell signal, which gave us a profit of $979.65. And after transaction charges, that is a 0.089% return, bringing our cumulative portfolio return to 7.740%. And our alpha goes up to 4.077%. Next, on the 14th, we had a buy signal, which gave us a profit of $3,860.82 US dollars, which is 0.355%. And that brings our cumulative portfolio return to 8.095%. And then our alpha goes down slightly to 3.523%. Next, on the 15th, we can see that we had another buy signal, giving us a profit, which is the largest of this week, at $5,891.52, and after transaction charges, that's a 0.542% return, bringing our cumulative return to 8.637%, and our alpha goes down to 3.375%. Finally, on the 16th, we had a sell signal, giving us a profit of $4,745.73, and after transaction charges, that's a 0.434% return. And our cumulative portfolio return goes up to 9.071%, along with our alpha of 4.306%. With that, I would like to conclude this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. I will see you next time. So stay tuned for then, but that's all for now.